Well, that's what happens to the mailbox. Now I have to figure out how to resolve that. Well, a ton of shoveling. How am I going to get my mail? Let's see, maybe I can climb and to get the mail. Ugh. I can't reach it. Forget it. Maybe I'll get mail in the spring. Whoa. Ugh. Okay. Oh, the mailbox. Clear out the mailbox. Mailbox is way over there. Oh boy. How do I clear this? I think I have a better idea. Okay, fix this mailbox problem. Got a new mailbox planted in front of the buried in the snow mailbox. Problem resolved. I'm not shoveling that out.